So are you considering Marriott's Grande Vista for your next trip to Orlando, Florida? And maybe you're even considering staying in a studio villa? Well, you might just want to stick around and check this out. Coming right up. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and as we jump in here and start taking a look at this studio villa here at Marriott's Grande Vista, this is the kitchenette area here. Really nice kitchenette. You do have a microwave kind of hidden down in the bottom there in a cupboard, a small refrigerator as well as a coffee maker, toaster, and dinnerware, glassware, and silverware also for two. As we continue to look around here, I do want to let you know, on this channel, I provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And even if you don't own timeshare, but you love visiting these fantastic resort properties, I also do villa tours, resort reviews, and resort tours as well. So be sure to stick around by clicking that subscribe button down below, and also click on that notification bell and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. We've been taking a look at the bathroom here for just a few moments already, and you're going to find a single vanity, toilet, and a tub with shower here. It's not too bad of a bathroom, not too big, not too small. I mean, it is just a studio villa. Alright, so let's continue through here and take a look at the living and sleeping area. Nice large king-size bed with a couple of nightstands. You're also going to find a chest of drawers kind of built into this kind of hole here in the wall with a television up on top. Not a whole lot of storage in there, so you might want to also take advantage of the closet here as well to store some things in there if you have a lot of clothes with you. You also do have an ironing board, and this is also where you're going to find the in-room safe. In here as well, you do have a sofa and a coffee table, as well as a small dining area here with two chairs and a small table. Now let's head outside and take a look at the patio here of this studio villa. Keep in mind, this is a studio side of a two-bedroom lock-off. If you actually want to see the full two-bedroom villa tour, I'll put a link up there in the upper right. But out here on the patio, just a couple of chairs and a small table, and we had a view overlooking the pool. So there you have it, the studio villa here at Marriott's Grande Vista in Orlando, Florida. If you like this video, please be sure to click that thumbs up button. It really does help out these videos. And to see more videos all about timeshare, check out the description box below. And for another video about Marriott's Grande Vista, check out that one up there in the upper right. And YouTube, they think you'll like the one right below that. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.